me, Jonathan from backpackingsolo.com. I'm here at the Umphang Wildlife Sanctuary in just before you go into Northern Thailand. Yeah, I'm at Thi Lu Su waterfall right now, which is behind me. Having a really nice time swimming, jumping from the smaller waterfalls, which is a bit crazy, but you know me. So yeah, I'll show you a bit around the area, and yeah, it's cool. Okay. So yeah, there's Umphang Wildlife Sanctuary. I had to hitch here, which is pretty hard to get here. It's usually part of like organised tours, which I weren't too keen on doing. So yeah, hitchhiking proved to work out pretty well, and I'll be making my way back in a few hours. But first of all, let's have a bit of a swim again. Alright guys, I'll catch you all soon. See you later.